Hey, what's going on? Aaron here, and in this video today we're going to talk all about proofreading jobs where you can start working from home, okay? And this is the great thing about the world we live in today. You can literally work from home. You don't need a physical job. You can literally find work just using the power of the internet, and proofreading is a great way to do that. So what are you actually doing? You are literally going over articles and documents. You're looking at things like spelling, punctuation, grammar, flow, and whether everything just makes sense on the actual document itself. And there are lots of different companies that will pay you between $12 and $15 per hour if you're a beginner proofreader. And once you gain a little bit more experience, you can earn between $25 and $45 per hour for proofreading. Now that's pretty crazy if you think about it, because most jobs don't even pay anything close to $25 to $45 per hour, and you can do that after you gain a little bit of experience. Okay, so I'm going to show you on this video 5 different places where you can find some great proofreading jobs. All right, so the first place is a website called FlexJobs. Now FlexJobs is a general sort of freelance website, and what you would do is you would come to the top here and you would type something like proofreading, okay? And obviously you want to put in your location. You can do that there, but I'm just gonna, for the purposes of time, I'm just gonna, just enter it over here, and you can see that there are different jobs here: proofreading and editing, editor, proofreader, English editor, proofreader, and it depends on where it is. Some work from anywhere, Finland, or work from anywhere. And this is the beauty about the internet age, right? You can literally be based from anywhere. All you need is a laptop or a computer, internet connection, and you can start making it look 100% remote job, 100% remote job. I love it, and this is why the internet is so powerful, right? So if you want to find some jobs, come onto flexjobs.com. This is a free freelancer website, and you can apply. I would literally just apply to all of these, right? I would apply to all of these. Obviously you have to speak the right language, because some of them do require you to speak different languages like Swedish or German, but some don't. Some are just in English, depending on where you are. So use FlexJobs. That's the first place that you can go to look for a proofreading job, right? And you can start it again from anywhere. The second website is called Scrubendi. Okay, now Scrubendi, and I'm going to show you a bunch of different actual proofreading services, right? So Scrubendi is a website that is a service basically where they work with different clients from all over the world, right? But of course, because they are a proofreader, you can also apply to work for them. Okay, so what you would do is you would come to the Scrubendi website, and you would the Scrubendi website actually looks like this. You can just Google it, and what you would do is you would look for jobs. So most of these websites, what you would do is you would scroll all the way down, okay, and basically look for a section where it says either careers or jobs. All right, now or actually contact us, right? But the cool thing about Scrubendi is when you Google it, okay, they've actually got jobs right there, okay, as one of the categories. So just click on jobs, and then just follow the prompts on what they are actually looking for. Look, they're looking for an in-house proofreader, okay? So you would just click on in-house proofreader and have a look whether it makes sense, okay, and whether you can actually do this, and then just follow it and actually apply directly to them. If there's no application, go and look for their contact us. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom, all these websites, remember, they're like a real company. So you can just come here and look at contact us, click on contact us, and they should have some details on how you can contact them, and you can just contact them if you need to and submit your CV and get applying to basically get a proofreading job with Scrubendi, right? Another website is Scribbler, okay? So very, very similar. There are lots of proofreading companies, and they all need proofreaders, right? Based from anywhere. So again, I would come into Scribbler, and I would go all the way down, and I would literally do the same thing. I would look for jobs, so look for the job section, click on that, okay, join the team, and they're gonna give you a whole bunch of information on the different jobs that they have, and you can apply right there. Look for the right department. It's probably marketing or operations or support, okay, and see whether they have the right jobs. Apply directly to the jobs, or I would just get directly in touch with them. Do you want to become an editor? Yes, I want to become an editor. I want to become a freelance editor in native English, for example. Go ahead and click on that, and then apply now. Basically, that's what you would do for Scribbler. All right, now another one is called Proofreading Pal. Very, very similar. Okay, so these are proofreading and editing services. They need people from all over the world as well. I would scroll all the way to the bottom here and find out, again, career opportunities. Also you can get in touch with them. These guys are based in Iowa in the US. Career opportunities right there. Go ahead and read exactly what you need to do here and what the requirements are. Go ahead and fill in the application form, okay? Upload your CV, your cover letter, your resume, okay, and then that's how you can get access to the jobs at Proofreading Pal. And then the last one here is Grammarly. Okay, Grammarly.com. They are also proofreading services, so all you need to do is head to Grammarly.com and go ahead and scroll to the bottom. Now, they don't have an application, unfortunately, but what you can do is you can get in touch with them. Okay, so what I would do is I would look for contact, which is right on the bottom. All right, and if you hover over it, you'll see their email address. Okay, it says the email is @yourservice@grammarly.com. So I would click on it. I would copy email address. I would log into, you know, whatever. Let's just say you're using Gmail or whatever it is, right? So just quickly log into your Gmail account and then send them an email. Okay, so create an email, and I'm just going to show you the email right here, right? So if I compose, and here we go. Let's try that again, right? I'm going to paste. You can see that that's their actual email address right there. @yourservice@grammarly.com. Okay, so there you have it. You've got 5 different proofreading services that you can start right now. Here's what I would do, okay? I would literally go into FlexJobs. I would apply to a whole bunch of different proofreading jobs, and then I would go to every single website that I mentioned earlier: Scribbler, Scrubendi, Grammarly, Proofreading Pal, right? And I would apply to all of them, because sometimes it takes a little bit before you actually get the role, okay? Especially if you're an absolute beginner and you have no experience. But this is a great way to work remote. The pay is pretty good. I mean, we're talking about $12 to $15 to start, and then once you gain some experience, $25 to $45 an hour. That is no joke right there, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you did, some thumbs ups if you did. And, you know, again, proofreading is just one of the many ways that you can start to make money online, right? My preferred way is to actually sell digital courses online. So if you would like to learn how I generated a multiple 6-figure income, and I'm showing thousands of people how to do it, I would love to show you how to do it on my free workshop. All you need to do is go ahead and click the link to register for that workshop for free in the description box or the comment section. And I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the workshop.